Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial for Quizalize vocab quizzes. When you log into Quizalize, select Make a Quiz with AI Help and then select Vocabulary Quiz. Here you have the option to enter a topic or to paste a vocabulary list. Let's say my topic is animals, so I type that in. Then I choose the language that the students are learning. As you can see, we have a huge variety of languages and each one is aligned to various levels and standards. Let's say the students are learning French at the CEFR level at A1.
And I want them to translate from English to French.
And here you can see that the AI is generating multiple vocab words to choose from. You then have the option to select, edit and alter the words and answers to the exact way you would like. It truly is so quick and easy. Why not give it a go in your classroom today and then assign it to your students? We hope you have the best time and we really hope that this helps you in your classroom. Happy Quizalizing!